These 5 habits must be ruining your day mentally as well as physically. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mystic Akanksha YT, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends and family. Okay, so today we are here to talk on the 5 habits that ruins our day mentally as well as physically. Yeah, so the first one, according to the script, says scrolling your phone right after waking up. Yeah, everyone does this. You start scrolling your phone. Imagine you wake up, your dopamine is high, your motivation is on its peak, and you're fully charged, and now you can do any task. You can complete it with full happiness and full gratitude. And what you do is you pick your phone, you start scrolling and scrolling. You say, no, I'll watch for 5 minutes. It turns into 10 minutes, then it turns into 20 minutes, then it turns into hours and hours. And then suddenly you realize you have wasted your 2 to 3 hours. Yeah, it kills your morning motivation and it increases your anxiety instantly. Yeah, it increases your anxiety instantly. So you must not scroll your phone right after waking up. Just keep your phone away from you whenever you sleep and try to wake up without alarm. Okay? And the second habit is skipping your breakfast or eating junk the first thing. Your body actually needs real fuel, and what you serve is caffeine or sugar. And what actually our Indian culture is, nobody's day starts without having a cup of a coffee or a tea, and it actually affects our health. The first thing, instead of having a cup of a coffee or a tea, you may have a cup of a green tea. If you're someone like me, you're gonna love the taste of green tea. Okay, this is the second habit that you have to change. And the third habit is staying in bed even after waking up. And this is one of my very bad habit, that I lay on my bed even after I woke up early. I just lay on my bed and I do daydreaming. Yeah, that ruins my whole time, and my whole motivation is like the slope decreases, the graph decreases actually. And yeah, and actually this habit confuses your body clock, and it actually lowers your motivation. Okay, and now we're gonna go on the fourth habit, which is switching between tasks non-stop. Okay, it's actually multitasking. Imagine you're doing one task and you think of one task which is remaining, and you stop focusing on this task, and you start thinking of the other task, and you stop doing this, and you actually move on to the another task, and then you reminder come to your brain that task is remaining, and then you feel this task is not completed, and that task is also not completed, nothing is completed, and you procrastinate. Your stress increases. That's very bad. Whatever you are doing, be it any task, it is small or big, start with big tasks first and complete that task with full focus. And then when you are done with that particular task, then go and jump onto the next task. Otherwise, doing this multitasking, you're going to jump like basketball from here to there, and nothing is coming your way, or nothing is done. Not even a single task is completed. And focus is equals to power. Okay, now we are fifth and the last habit, which is saying yes to everyone to please them. Okay, and it actually is, we say them yes even if we are our tasks are pending or anything is pending, and just to please someone we say yes to them. If someone says let's go and watch a movie, they have their free time, so they are asking you, but you are not free. Your time, you must give your time to the you should not be rude to that person. You should say that, okay, let's go tomorrow, or let's go this weekend, or let me finish my task first and then we'll go in the evening. Okay, you should not be rude to someone, but you must focus on yourself first. You must give yourself priority, because your time is the first priority to you, because it is everything to you. Because if you know time is money. Okay, and yes, these were the 5 habits which ruins everybody's day, even you may be a student or anyone. Okay, this was all. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video.